Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Today's topic is writing equations to solve percent problems. We have 8 examples to work out for you. Remember, we believe math is better with your dog, so call your pups. Let's get started. Problem number 1 says, what is 40% of 30? At Math Dogs, we like to translate these words to an equation and solve the equation in order to answer the question. And there's a few simple rules that we look for and follow. First, we look for the word is. That's going to be the equal sign. Then we look for the word of, and that's going to indicate multiplication. And then we look for the word what, and that's going to indicate our variable, and we usually use the variable letter x. So first I'm going to look for the word is. That's going to set up my equal sign. On the left side of my equal sign I have the word what. So that's going to be my variable x. Then I have 40% of 30. So I'm going to take 40% and I'm going to write that as a decimal, which is 0.40. Of is the multiplication in the parentheses, and 30 is put at the end to multiply by 0.40. Since it's already solved for x in the equation, all I have to do is punch 0.40 times 30 in a calculator. 0.40 times 30 is 12, and I find that x equals 12. So that means what is 40% of 30? 12 is 40% of 30. Problem number 2 says 6 is what percent of 20? So I'm going to go through the same process of writing the equation. I'm going to look for the word is. That's going to be my equal sign. On the left side of the equal sign is the number 6. So I will have 6 equals. Then I'm going to look for the word of. So I'm going to multiply what percent. There's the what, so that's the variable x. And that's going to be multiplied by 20. So 6 equals x times 20 is 20x. Now I'm just going to solve for x. Divide both sides by 20. 6 divided by 20 is 0.3. 20 divided by 20 is 1x. So x equals 0.3. Since that's in the decimal form and the question asked for the percent, I'm going to have to multiply that by 100. Or I could take the decimal and move it 2 places to the right and find out that my answer is 30%. Problem number 3 says 70% of what number is 15? So I'm going to take this phrase and write the equation. Here's the word is, that's my equal sign. On the right side of the equal sign, all I have is the number 15. Then I'm going to look for the word of. On the left side of the equal sign, 70% will be multiplied by what number, which we'll write as our variable. 70%, when we put it into the equation, we're going to write that as the decimal 0.70. You can either move the decimal 2 places to the left or divide by 100 in order to write it in its decimal form. Then I'm going to multiply that by the what number, which is going to be my variable that I'm solving for. So 0.70 times x is 0.7x, and that will equal 15. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 0.7 in order to get my variable by itself. 0.7 divided by 0.7 is 1x, and 15 divided by 0.7, if I round that off to 2 decimal places, is approximately 21.43. So 70% of 21.43 is 15. Problem number 4 says, what percent of 141 is 47? So again, I'm going to write my equation. Here's the word is, that's going to be my equal sign. On the right side, I have the number 47. Then I'm going to look for the word of. That indicates that I'm going to be multiplying by what percent is going to be my variable and the number 141. So x times 141 is just 141x, and that will equal 47. Now I'll divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 141, in order to get x by itself. 141 divided by 141 is 1x, and 47 divided by 141 is a repeating decimal of 0.3333. If I multiply that by 100, or I move the decimal 2 places, I find out that that's about 33%. And so what percent of 141 is 47? 33% of 141 is 47. Problem number 5 says, find 13% of 92. So if we want to write this as an equation, as we've done in the previous 4 problems, we would look for the word is, but we don't see the word is. In this problem, find can be written as what is 13% of 92. And so if you have a problem with the word find in it, just rewrite that as what is. And then you can write your equation. Here's the word is, that's my equal sign. The what on the left side is my variable x. Here's my of, so I'm going to multiply 13% and 92. I'll write 13% in its decimal form, move the decimal 2 places to the left, that's 0.13, times 92. Since x is already solved for, all I have to do is punch 0.13 times 92 in the calculator, and I will find out that x equals 11.96. And so 13% of 92 would be 11.96. So don't forget, the word find is another way to say the phrase what is, and then you'll have your equal sign for the is. Problem number 6 says 92% of what number is 35? So let's translate this into an equation. Here's the word is, that's going to be my equal sign. On the right side of that is just the number 35. Then I'll look for the word of, so that means I'm going to be multiplying 92% times x, which I'll use to write what number. So 92% in decimal form will be 0.92 times the x. 0.92 times x is just 0.92x, and that will equal 35. Now all I have to do is divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 0.92. 0.92 divided by 0.92 is 1x, and 35 divided by 0.92, if we round that off to 2 decimal places, is about 38.04. So 92% of 38.04 is 35. Problem number 7 says, what percent of 64.4 is 17.7? So we'll just translate this into an equation. Here's the word is, that's going to be my equal sign. On the right side, I have the number 17.7. Then I'm going to look for the word of. So I'm going to be multiplying what percent, which will be my variable x, times the 64.4. So x times 64.4 is just 64.4x, and that will equal 17.7. Now I'm going to divide both sides by my coefficient, which is 64.4. 64.4 divided by 64.4 is 1x, and 17.7 divided by 64.4 is about 0.275. If I multiply that by 100 or move the decimal point 2 places to the right, I find out that x will be 27.5%. So 27.5% of 64.4 is 17.7. Problem number 8 says, what is 52.1% of 8.9? So I'll translate this to an equation. Here's the word is, that will be my equal sign. On the left side, I have the what. That's going to be my variable x. Then I'm going to look for the word of so I know what to multiply. I'm going to be multiplying 52.1% in its decimal form, which means I move the decimal 2 places to the left, 0.521, times 8.9. Since x is already solved for, if I punch 0.521 times 8.9 in a calculator, I find out that x equals 4.6369. So, what is 52.1% of 8.9? It's 4.6369. So that's it. 8 examples of using equations to solve percent problems. Keep trying out new problems. Keep working hard. Don't ever give up on it. With some time and effort, you can definitely do this. And as we say at Math Dogs, you got this.